What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Guess what we're putting in today? We are putting in the new Kohler commercial style faucet into the kitchen. Finally, we got to this project, and I'm so glad. I'm so excited to get this new sprayer kind of faucet. So excited. So what's up? It's Wednesday. I will show you how this new faucet works when we get it installed and show you how it's making me so happy on this Wednesday. So this is the Kohler Ealing Pro. That's the model number. I'll put a link if I can find it in the description. This is a commercial style spray kind of faucet. The faucet part is a magnet. One of the concerns I had on this type of faucet is this kind of setup. I was worried how you could get this clean, but word on the street is you can take this apart to clean it. So on an everyday basis, I'll sort of run some soapy water on it to clean it, but you can take it apart to clean out this spring thing. So I'm so excited. Let me have Eric put this in and I'll show you how it works. So it is now late at night, if you can't tell. I'm looking pretty tired. So this has been a big project because what happened is once we got that old faucet out, it was just nasty. It was rusted and hard to get out, and it had like this green stuff over there. I got some new sheets for the guest bedroom back there. And so it turned into kind of a rough project. I knew when we bought this house that I wanted to take that faucet out. When I saw that thing, I was like, that thing's got to go, right? It leaked kind of, not down below, but it sort of leaked around the bottom of the faucet so it would get the quartz wet. It just needed to go.
You had hard water deposits.
Yeah, we had hard water deposits all over the thing. It was just, ugh. So this is a really good upgrade. This house has a really nice deep sink on it. It has quartz countertops. This is a really nice upgrade to the kitchen, at least I think. And the faucet's really cool. So let me show it to you and you can let me know what you think. So here is the new faucet. And like I said, this is a Kohler Sous, it's called? Like sous chef?
No.
Ealing
Pro.
It's like a commercial style washer. So since Eric, you did all this hard work, come on over and show us how it works.
First of all, this has a magnet, so it just does that. We can go over here, we can go over here, and there's a magnet. This is the on-off. Get the spray first, like that. And then we can do that. Look how flat that is.
Yeah, it's really nice and flat. Rinse the sink out real quick. You can get to the sides of the sink. It's really like a targeted spray. You can do this side over here with my sponge in the sink. I really like the spray on it. So it also comes with...
I think that's...
the hot water.
That's cold water, I think up there. This down here is hot water. Somewhere in the middle is nice and comfortable. So if you want to wash your hands real quick, on, off.
Comes with a little soap dispenser there.
This guy spins around, buddy.
I'm not a big fan of those things because they're a pain to sort of fill up. I was worried because where that soap dispenser was, that was like a big control arm for the faucet. And I didn't know how this was going to work. But I looked at the box and I looked at the instructions, and you don't have to use that plate at the bottom. You can You can install it right directly into the hole of your sink.
Plate you're talking about is this.
Yeah.
And for us, it wouldn't really work because of that right there. We would have to do it over here somewhere, kind of like that. And that would just be off center, right, Boo Boo?
Yeah.
Because then this would have to be over there. But yeah.
So, folks, I'm really loving this new faucet. Do I need a special drink because it's Wednesday? Well, yeah, right? So, what's up? It's Wednesday. I'm really liking this new faucet. If you are thinking about changing out your faucet, Eric's getting a drink out of the fridge. If you're thinking about upgrading, replacing the faucet is a good way to go because you're not necessarily having to rip out your countertops, your sink, all that fun stuff, just refreshing it. Eric's really getting himself a drink. This is it's kind of an expensive faucet. I think it's like $260. But you can refresh your kitchen with a new faucet that's a lot less expensive from this one. And it can really like jazz it up and give you a new feeling about the kitchen. Eric bought himself, we bought some new sheets for the guest bedroom. Eric bought himself a new Keurig back there. He just plugged it in. Our other one, it was time for it to go when we moved. It was like 10 years old. So we got rid of that and he got himself a new one. And he got all kinds of fun coffee back there. I'm not really a coffee drinker. So if you guys didn't know, this is like the opposite side of the kitchen. So when you see us in a regular video, we're sort of turned around. I'm sitting on the opposite side of the island, and this is where the oven is, and there's an area over here. This kitchen actually was redone. This house was built in 2005. This kitchen was actually redone sometime after that. It was kind of weird that they would redo the kitchen like that soon, but the neighbor, I haven't seen the neighbor's kitchen, but she said that on hers, this is a big desk. So maybe they just wanted to get rid of it because that was kind of the style at one time in the kitchen to put desks in. Our other house has that. But so they removed that, turned this into cabinets. The only thing I would like to do is see this oven right here. Man, I wish that was double ovens, right? I would have to take the cabinet out down below. So that might be a project in the future. Still trying to get moved in. We made some big progress this last weekend. One reason it's taking us so long is just I commute a long way. Eric works. We can't do anything during the week. So it seems like we've been in here like, 2 months almost, and we're still unpacking. It's just because we really have a limited amount of time because of our jobs. And that's just how it is. So, what's up, Eric?
We need a Farmer Ebu update.
A Farmer Ebu update.
Farmer Ebu update. We are still producing peppers, but not after tonight. We're going to have to kill the plants. We have a freeze warning.
Yeah, we have a freeze warning.
We're getting down to 28 degrees. Can you believe that?
We have snow potentially.
Snow showers
Snow
on
showers and all that.
What's up with that? It's like it's wintertime all of a sudden.
Yeah.
It was just summer a minute ago.
So we're going to have to harvest all the peppers, and we're going to have to, those plants are on their way out. So what's up? It's Wednesday. I hope you have a great week. I hope you guys stay with me. I am trying to get it together, and we are going to take off and have an amazing time in this kitchen. It's just taking me a little bit longer because of my work schedule. But I'm slowly getting there. Pantries are slowly getting there. I have a lot of work left on them to get. I sort of just unpacked them, and so I have to go through and organize. But I'm going to get there. Oh. And we're getting, up in this area, we have a slider, and I've had a lot of difficulty because the sun comes in, so I temporarily got a curtain over that where they're coming on Friday to install a retractable shade, a custom shade for this window. So I'm looking forward to that. That's happening on Friday. Vertical honeycomb, yeah. It's like slides this way, like a sliding glass door, but it retracts. It's not like your regular vertical blinds, right? Anyway, what's up? It's Wednesday. Have a fantastic week.